My mom is present in the best day of my life, and I just wish my daddy was here para masaksihan niya din that here I am. I am a big girl now.
And May 9, 2021, that's the day I first saw you. And I'm at my lowest point in my life. Di ko alam na it was God's reminder for me to fix my life once again and surrender into His will.
No, bago pa po sila nagkakilala, bago pa tumubok ang kanilang puso sa isa't isa, meron na pong nagwika at may nagtakda ng lahat ng ito ngayon.
When I walked down the aisle and saw you, I can't stop imagining how God has been faithful and good sa buhay ko. Because He let me meet the man of my dreams, the man that will protect me, and the man who will be the father of my children.
We have come this far. Baby, you have done a great job. Ang galing mo. Believe ako sa'yo and I'm proud of you. At ang ganda-ganda mo. The time I started praying to God ulit, Lord, di ko alam ba't ako nandito, pero yun pala, pinapahanap lang sa akin ni Lord yung nag-iisa sa 3 bilyon. Akalain mo yon at my lowest, darkest, insignificant part ng buhay ko, I found the one. That time, nasa call center pa ako. And parang coach siya doon.
Then makita ko siya, cute lang, ayun, cute. Tapos very mahiyain, very and hindi siya nagsasalita talaga.
Unti-unti, parang nagkaroon kami interaction. Tapos from then, nag-try ako mag-chat.
I don't wanna be no star, have fame on the boulevard. No, that's not what I'm looking for.
Tapos ang asar namin sa kanya, baby boy, kasi parang siya, parang baby siya. So every time na nag-share ako sa kanya ng problem, there is something doon sa mga sinasabi niya. He's very, different from other boys na nakausap ko talaga.
Pinakamahalaga kasi yung word ni Lord
Na in love ako lalo sa kanya kasi hindi niya ako dinro closer sa kanya, kundi closer talaga kay Lord.
That time na nag-propose ako, actually parents ko nga nagulat din sila Yung time na sabi ko sa kanila magpo-propose ako. Nasabi na parang time na, hindi dahil sa meron kami ng lahat pero dun sa mga time or sa mga sitwasyon na wala kami. Kasi we believe dun sa wala kami, dun gagalaw si Lord sa life namin.
Is it ordinary love is what we're made for?
Hindi na lang kami magsuserve the Lord individually, but we want to serve the Lord as a family na and as together na. Not just only about love, not just only about our relationship, but it's also about yung team up talaga namin for serving the Lord.
Maglilingkod, magmamahal, at mananampalataya. We will dream big dreams. We will conquer places. We will build a family that will have an impact to this nation. Kaya kong sabihin kay Lord na paramdam ko sa'yo kung gaano kanya kamahal sa pamagitan ko. I love you, baby.
Forever can never be long enough for me to feel like I've had long enough with you.
Naiinis ako kapag may mga couples akong nakikita. At sa likod ng aking isip, lagi kong sinasabi na siguro, maghihiwalay din sila. Dahil wala naman talagang magtatagal na relasyon these days. Pero umaasa pa din ako na baka meron pa. Baka meron talagang tamang tao for me. And here comes you.
Today and every day, marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will.
That I will be not just only your beautiful wife, but ako yung perfect wife na magluluto sa'yo, na mag-aalaga sa'yo. I am so blessed to call you my husband, and I look forward to the lifetime of happiness with you. I love you very much.
If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Ooh, say you will. Marry me.
Jethro, you may now kiss the bride. Palakpakan po natin ang Lord.